You simply need to install a smartphone stand on your motorbike or car to take advantage of Google Maps. Google Maps is available for download on both Android and iOS devices. It is advisable to download the offline maps before you start a ride. Survey reveals that 43% companies plan to implement AI for conducting job interviews by 2024. Nearly 15% will rely solely on AI throughout the hiring process. 50% of the participants believe that AI will eventually replace human hiring managers. Tanistropheus fossils unearthed in Switzerland decades ago on a mountain called Monte San Giorgio. Researchers studied neck and head remains of 2 species of Tanistropheus, detecting bite marks and other signs of trauma indicating decapitation. The larger species, the one that ate fish and squid, reached 20 feet, 6 meters, long, though this individual was about 13 feet, 4 meters, long. The SuperBuds Pro GT9 from Number is aimed at users looking for wireless earphones, especially for gaming. The buds offer 3 different sized ear ticks for snug fit. Device can be charged using its USB Type-C port, and can be used with both iOS and Android devices. The Windows 11 powered handheld gaming device will be available for purchase on Steam from July the 12th. It has a 7-inch IPS display, with a full HD resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and 16:9 aspect ratio. The device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and weighs 608 grams.